Hello there, I'm the man about dessert, I'm the man, and this is your dessert. Today we will be making homemade banana nut bread. All from scratch. It's going to taste absolutely delicious, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make it yourself. Now, the first ingredients you will need to be making this bread are 2 to 3 bananas equaling 1 1/4 cup mashed, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 3/4 cups of sugar, 1 large egg beaten, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of strongly brewed coffee, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 cups of flour, and 1 cup of finely chopped walnuts. And with that all said, we're also going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Now, our first step is with our rubber spatula. We're going to add all of the wet ingredients and sugar into one bowl, and we're going to add all of the dry to another, leaving the walnuts separate until the end. Adding our wet, the bananas. Now, the great part about this recipe is you can use old bananas as well. It's a great way to use up old bananas that no one else wants to eat. The butter, melted of course, the sugar, the egg, the vanilla, and the coffee. We are going to mix this all together and then combine our dry. And next up, our dry, which is just our flour and our baking soda. Give that a little whisk, and then we can set this aside as well. And now, with our wet, dry, and nuts all separated, we can mix them together properly and make it into a beautiful batter. Today I'm using a KitchenAid for my needs, but this recipe can be made just as easily by hand. First off, we're going to make sure our wet mixture is well mixed. I do admit it actually kind of looks like apple pie filling, which makes it that much more delicious. Our first step is mixing it at a fair speed. We are going to add in our dry mixture 1/3 at a time. And now, the final step to top off this terrific batter is to add in the nuts. Oh, wonderful. Now, with our batter mixed, our oven heated, the last step we're going to need to do is grabbing a cupcake tray and standard liners. Today I'm using foil liners, but you can also use paper. What you're going to do is you're going to take one liner at a time and just put them inside the tins like this for as many muffins as you'd like. There we go, all lined. Next up, we're going to take our batter and with a medium-sized spoon or ice cream scoop, we're going to slowly scoop it into each muffin tray. My tool of choice today is an ice cream scoop. All I'm doing is scooping and placing. Today I think I'm going to add 2 scoops to each. That way these are nice, tall, big muffins. Now this batter is quite runny, so you have to be patient with it. Get a nice big glob and let it drop off the side until you have a nice full scoop. And there we go. All of our muffin trays are filled, and now we will put these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Thank you so much for watching my video on how to make these wonderful, delicious muffins. I really, really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you were able to make these alongside me and enjoy them as well. Now, without any further ado, follow me everywhere, like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. I hope you have a very sweet day.